San Miguel Corporation President and Chief Operating Officer Ramon Ang denied endorsing Senator Manny Pacquiao for president in a freewheeling conversation with journalists. The Manila Standard reported that Ang made a fearless forecast that Pacquiao will win the 2022 presidential race. However, the Bilyonaryo clarified in CNN Philippines report that he merely told journalists that Ang explained he made the comment about Pacquiao because he was asked about hypothetical scenarios on who will win the 2022 polls based on current trends. Pacquiao has yet to confirm his presidential bid. The senator, however, has issued this statement on Ang's reported endorsement.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.